Welcome back everybody. I'm here to teach my third phonics session today, and we're going to start off with a game just like we did yesterday. It's going to carry on very much like yesterday. We'll play a game, then we'll think about what we've learnt over the past couple of days, and then we will learn something new. Okay, so our game today is listening to different sounds and just talking about them. So you listen to a sound and then you talk about what that sound could be. It might not be anything obvious, but that's why it's called a mystery sound. So shall we press one of these buttons? See what we can hear. Ooh. Have a chat with a grown-up about what you thought that could be. Okay, let's try another one, shall we? Well, I wonder what that could have been. I thought that one was quite an easy one actually. Again, have a chat with a grown-up about what that could be. You might want to just pause your video if you want to have a longer chat. We'll listen to another one, shall we? Oh, I'm going to listen to that one again. What could that be? One more time. Have a chat with your grown-up and see what they think it is and what you think it is. We'll try one more. Oh, looks like somebody was ringing a bell, wasn't it? Okay, so if you want to carry on playing this game with the grown-up, it is on a website that's called Phonics Play, and it's in phase 1 activities, okay? So you might want to ask a grown-up to take you to that website and they could play those games with you. At the moment, they have still got free membership, I think, and so you don't have to sign up to anything. All right, let's have a look. We need to go back to our activities for today. So, what are these phonemes? We've learned 2 phonemes in my sessions so far. What are these phonemes? Let's have a look, shall we? Ooh. Yep, you're right, it's a S. Oh, let me think of some words like sausages and snakes and silly billies. Being funny. Okay, let's have a look. What's this one? Yep, that's right, it's like ants on my arm. Okay. You think of a couple of words for me. The ones that I can think of are apple and ant and antelope. Interesting animal. Right. Does this object start with an a phoneme? You have a look. When I spin the dice, does it start with an a phoneme? Let's have a look. I've got a bus there. Does the word bus start with an a? Bus. No, it doesn't. Remember from yesterday, thumbs down if it doesn't, thumbs up if it does. Okay? Grown-ups, you might want to pause in between if you want a little bit longer to talk about it. Ooh, a van. Does a van start with a? Well done. Oh, we've got bus again. Let's see what we can find. And we've got van again. Ooh, an apple. Apple. Oh, he looks like he's enjoying that apple. Does apple start with a? Apple. Yes, I think it does too. That's right. Well done. Arrow. Arrow. It's an arrow pointing up. Arrow. Does arrow start with a? Arrow. Yes, it does. Great. Okay. Let's move on. This looks like another new phoneme for today. Some of you might already know it, but if you don't, I'm going to say these words at the bottom, or say the names for these pictures at the bottom, and you are going to listen to the first sound, the first phoneme in each of those words. Okay, so I've got tent, turtle, train and tree. Okay, tent, turtle, train, tree. That's right, it's a t, t, t. And our action for t, t, t is to move your head from side to side as if you are watching a tennis match. T, 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 t. Okay, just be careful when you are saying train and tree, because sometimes when we say it, it sounds a little bit like a ch sound at the start, like a train and a tree. Be very clear that it is a t at the start. Okay, let's move forwards. So watch me with my magic finger doing the t in the air. So starts at the top, always at the top, down the tail. Then I actually take my pen off and then I go across. Okay, down and a tail, take my pen off and go across. Down and a tail, take it off and go across. Okay, let's try it with the elbow, shall we? Down with the tail, go, take it off, then go across. And with the toe, oh, this is difficult. Down with the tail, take it off, and then across. Let's try it with the nose today, shall we? Down with the tail, take it off, and then across. Okay, you can do that with any part of your body. So, we're going to move on to writing it next. I want you to have a go at writing on your boards that you've been using each day, or your piece of paper, or your whiteboard, or your chalkboard. But please don't forget to hold whatever you are using correctly by pinching and flicking. Okay, so I'm going to use that little rhyme that I used before, where I was doing it with my elbow and my nose and my toe and my finger, and I'm going to use that to write the letter T. Okay, so it starts at the top, down with the tail, off and across. Okay, down with the tail, up and across. One more time. Down with the tail, up and across. Last time. Down with the tail, up and across. Your turn. Okay, fill your page with the letter T. And then when you have finished, you could perhaps have a go at practicing the letters from the last 2 days, the S and the A, and the T, T, T. Okay. Have fun. Don't forget, if you take a photo of it, or ask a grown-up rather to take a photo of it, they could post it to our Twitter page, or they could email it to the teachers, because we always like to know what you've been up to at home. It's really nice to hear from you, because we do miss you and we worry about you, and we like to take care of you. Okay, thank you, and I shall see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.